Want to score full marks in English? Then you don't have to repeat these common mistakes that generally students do in their English exam. As an English teacher, I can tell you the most common mistakes done by students in their English exam that are related to tenses. So the first sentence is she cut the cake. In this sentence, you have to identify the tense, like which tense it is. So how you can identify the tense from the verb. But cut, the three forms of cut are the same. First form, second form and third form, cut, cut, cut. So how will you identify whether it is simple present or simple past? So if this is simple present, then the rule of simple present is subject plus V1 plus S or ES plus object. तो इसका मतलब क्या है कि अगर सब्जेक्ट सिंगुलर हो तो हमें वर्ब के साथ एसोरियस लगाना पड़ता है, बट यहाँ पे कट के साथ एसोरियस नहीं लगा हुआ, दैट मीन्स इट इज नॉट अ सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस. तो इसका मतलब ये सेकंड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब यहाँ पे कट यूज किया हुआ है इज अ सेकंड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब, दैट इज सब्जेक्ट प्लस V2 plus object. This is the rule that they are applying here. She is subject here, cut is V2 here, and the cake is object. So this sentence is in simple past tense. It's clear. So in this way, there is a second sentence that most of you do the mistake, in which she has two pens. So in this, generally the students wrote this as a present perfect tense. But what is rule of present perfect? Subject plus has have plus third form of verb plus object. So can you see anywhere in this sentence third form of verb? There is no third form of, there is only one verb, that is has, and it is working as a main verb. Has is here is a main verb. So there is no third form of verb. So this sentence is into simple present. It's in simple present. So हम simple present में whenever if they ask you to change it into negative, you will not say she has not two pencils. That is completely wrong. She has not two pencils is wrong. So how will you change into negative? You will say she does not, क्योंकि singular subject के साथ हम does use करते हैं simple present. And you will not write has, you have to write have. It's a rule in English. After any helping verb, if you're using has or have, if you have to use, then you will always use have. Two pens. So this is its negative sentence. So these are the two common mistakes that generally students do in their English exam.